and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Calvin talking here, and welcome to App Galaxy. Today, I got the best of you guys, and whereby I'm gonna teach you on how to be a better programmer or a hacker, something like that. But I'll talk much about programming, and without getting started, I'll take a little bit of my time speaking about hacking and how to be better at it. And but this isn't really much about hacking; it's much about programming. So about hacking, I think the link will be in the description. Now the next video will be about hacking and how to be better at it. And speaking of hacking, have you hacked YouTube earlier today? Just like, subscribe, press the notification bell to get notified to every content I post online. And yeah, let's hack YouTube. Ethically, of course. Anyways, let's get started. Back again. So let's get started with how to be better at programming. First, before you need to know how to be better at programming or coding, whatever vocabulary you use there, just not programming, coding, or writing computer languages, something like that. But you need to know what programming is, right? Yeah, what's programming? Programming is just a way of giving commands to computer to do certain function or stuff like that. That's a simply, definition of what is programming, and yeah, I think I've tried my best to explain about it in short. Yeah. So to be better at programming, the first thing you might need is you need to start alone. Like when you're learning coding or programming or whatever you say, just you need to be alone. When you be alone, it doesn't mean like you can be two who you all don't know, but you're trying to learn together. That is allowed. But the thing is, when I, for example, I know programming and you don't know programming, I come and teach you programming. It is better, but not best. Like yeah, because when you learn yourself, you face troubles and you solve troubles yourself. Yeah, you can solve troubles by using Stack Overflow, stuff like that. It's a website, yeah, where you can Google it, your errors, and it will show you answers. You get many ways to solve the problem. It is quite different when someone teaches you and he tells you this is a problem or this is an error and how to solve it is one, two, three, just one simple way. Then at least you know nothing about it. So guys, you need to be alone studying and do not depend much on people teaching you. The second stuff is much time at, yeah, spend much time at coding. Like 2 or 3 hours a day, it will be enough for you to gain something and the knowledge of programming. Okay, now this I got no more explanations about it, but we go to the third thing, which is never lose hope while coding. And this is where many people do fail. When you're programming, and by the way, some errors are difficult to solve, like pi audio errors when you're working with a machine learning or AI program. I faced that challenge and it took me some months to solve it because yeah, I was kind of busy, but it is difficult to solve that error. If you could be you, yeah, the beginner, you could just give up and never code again and say this stuff is, you know, hard and thing like that, but it isn't. You just need to keep up and never lose hope. Okay, now the other thing is now this most of you do this thing and it is totally not good. Even for professional uh programmers do this thing and it is not good. Like the thing is spending much time in tutorials. YouTube tutorials for you as a beginner, you're allowed to watch them. Like you can watch YouTube tutorials for like a month or stuff like that one. But when you're, for example, in programming, you do specialize, and when you're specializing, maybe in machine learning, you watch tutorials on machine learning for something like a month. Then after gaining some knowledge, do not watch tutorials again because they're gonna lose you. You can think you just copy and paste it right to your IDE. You copy it from YouTube and paste it here, and you never use your knowledge to think about it. Okay, the other thing you might wanna do is Believe in yourself, and that's it. I think you believe yourself that you can do it. Why can I do it and you can't do it? Just have the feeling that I can also do it. I can do the same thing no matter what. You struggle, just struggle, and everything's gonna be alright. And speaking of hiking is just how to be better at hiking. I just give you one or two tips. The first one, be a friendly user of Linux. If you don't know what Linux is, down below there's a link of the video on Linux explaining how they work and the types of Linux like Paradox, Ubuntu Linux, Kali Linux, stuff like that. Then in the days to come, I'll bring up a video on how to start using Linux terminal or Linux Bash on, yeah, you can use it on a flash drive, WLS, I think something like that, on all visual boards, even your phone using Jamax and stuff like that. If you don't understand what is it, comment below and I will be able to teach you. Thanks guys, goodbye and see you.